In this video, we will embark on a journey to discover the ways AI can help you tighten your purse strings and live life to the fullest without breaking the bank. And, as it turns out, AI has something to offer for those who strive to live a more frugal lifestyle. So sit back, relax, and be prepared to be amazed at the limitless potential of AI in helping you live a more frugal life. Number 1. Budgeting and saving. We'll start our journey by exploring the world of budgeting and saving with AI. For many of us, budgeting and saving can be a daunting task that requires a lot of time and effort. However, with AI by our side, this tedious task can be transformed into an effortless endeavor. AI-powered personal finance apps can analyze our spending patterns, identify areas where we can cut back, and provide tailored recommendations to help us save. This technology can provide a bird's-eye view of our finances, making it easier for us to keep track of our expenses and stay within our budget. Imagine having a virtual financial advisor that not only helps you track your expenses, but also provides personalized tips and tricks to optimize your savings. With AI, this is a reality. Popular personal finance apps like Mint, Personal Capital, and Robinhood all leverage the power of AI to help us make the most of our money. So, if you're looking to achieve your financial goals and live a more frugal life, AI-powered personal finance apps are the way to go. Number 2. Energy usage. As we continue our journey towards a more frugal life, it's time to take a look at one of our biggest expenses, energy usage. With AI, managing our energy consumption has never been easier. AI-powered smart home devices and apps can monitor and control our energy usage, helping us make more informed decisions about when and how we use energy. From turning off the lights when we leave the room to adjusting the temperature according to our schedule, these devices can help us save money on our energy bills while also reducing our carbon footprint. Think of AI as your personal energy concierge that ensures you never waste a watt. Popular smart home devices like Nest, Echo Bee, and Amazon Echo all leverage the power of AI to make energy management a breeze. So, if you're looking to make a positive impact on both your wallet and the planet, look no further than AI. Number 3. Meal planning. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. It's time to whip up a storm in the kitchen as we delve into the world of meal planning with AI. For many of us, meal planning can be a challenging task that requires a lot of time and effort. However, with AI by our side, this task can be transformed into a delightful experience. AI-powered meal planning apps can provide personalized recommendations based on our dietary restrictions, food preferences, and budget. They can also generate grocery lists, helping us save time and money at the grocery store. Think of AI as your personal culinary coach that helps you plan delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Popular meal planning apps like Mealime, Yumly, and Paprika all leverage the power of AI to make meal planning a breeze. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a seasoned takeout connoisseur, I can help you plan and prepare delicious meals that fit your budget. Number 4. Automation. It's time to take a look at the power of automation with AI. From our daily routines to our financial habits, automation can help us simplify our lives and save money. AI-powered automation tools can help us automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time and energy for the things that matter most. From scheduling appointments and reminders to tracking our expenses and budget, AI can help us streamline our lives and stay on track with our frugal goal. Think of AI as your personal automation wizard that takes care of the mundane, so you can focus on the magic of life. Popular automation tools like Zapier and Integromat all leverage the power of AI to make automation a breeze. So, whether you're a tech-savvy wizard or a tech-averse wizard in training, AI can help you automate your life and save money. Number 5. Investment. For many of us, investing can be a daunting task that requires a lot of knowledge and expertise. However, with AI by our side, this task can be transformed into a rewarding experience. AI-powered investment platforms can provide personalized recommendations based on our financial goals, risk tolerance, and portfolio. They can also monitor and manage our investments, helping us stay on track and make informed decisions. Think of AI as your personal financial wizard that helps you turn your hard-earned gold into a thriving treasure trove. Popular investment platforms like Robinhood, Stash, and Betterment all leverage the power of AI to make investment a breeze. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, AI can help you invest wisely and achieve your financial goals. Number 6. Education. Let's embark on a journey of lifelong learning and discovery as we delve into the world of education with AI. For many of us, education can be a challenging and expensive pursuit. However, with AI by our side, this pursuit can be transformed into a fulfilling and cost-effective one. AI-powered education platforms can provide personalized recommendations based on our interests, learning style, and budget. They can also offer interactive and engaging learning experiences, helping us acquire new knowledge and skills in a fun and effective way. Think of AI as your personal tutor that helps you master new subjects and expand your horizons. Popular education platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy all leverage the power of AI to make education a breeze. So, whether you're a curious learner or a lifelong student, AI can help you pursue your education without breaking the bank. Get ready to embark on a journey of lifelong learning and discovery with the help of AI. Number 7. Future of AI. It's time to take a glimpse into the future and envision the potential of AI. The possibilities of this technology are seemingly endless, and its impact on our daily lives is growing with each passing day. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries and domains from healthcare and finance to education and entertainment. Its ability to process vast amounts of data and make informed decisions can help us tackle complex challenges and make our lives easier. Think of AI as a trusty companion that helps us navigate the future and embrace new opportunities. As the technology continues to advance and evolve, we can expect even more amazing innovations and breakthroughs that will shape our world in ways we can't even imagine. So, let's embrace the future of AI with open arms and be prepared to embark on a new era of technological revolution. The future is waiting for us, and with AI by our side, the possibilities are truly limitless. As we reach the end of our journey, it's time to reflect on the impact AI has on our lives. From budgeting and saving to shopping and energy usage, AI has proven to be a valuable ally in our quest for a more frugal lifestyle. This technology has shown us that living a frugal life doesn't have to be a challenge, but rather a joyful and fulfilling experience. With AI, we can make informed decisions, automate our routines, and invest our resources wisely. So, let's embrace this technology with open arms and make the most of the opportunities it presents. Here's to a brighter and more frugal future with AI.